Hi guys, so Andy over here, and today I just wanted to do an unboxing of a graphics card. This is the ZOTAC Trinity RTX3080. So it's the white edition over here, as you can see. On the front of the box we just have the photos of the card itself, white, with all the features here. 10 GB memory, GDDR6, some features just for cooling, and on the back of the box some more marketing stuff. So they just put a photo of the card itself, and also all this is marketing. So let's just open it up. Got the lid here. We'll just cut up the seal and open it up. The outside sleeve is just a printed box, glossy material. Inside box is just a plain black box with the ZOTAC logo over here. And when you open inside, so as you see, extended warranty. I guess they have some extra stickers inside over here. And yeah, I guess that's it. I wonder if there's anything extra inside. Let's just open. So, ooh, this is nice. You get a ZOTAC gaming sticker. Two, which one is the pearlescent color and the other one is black. This would be really nice for a case. And there's just extended warranty sticker, sign up for warranty, etc. And a quick installation guide. So this is all normal, but I really like the sticker. This is nice. Let's put that aside. Inside we have this, which are 6-pin to 8-pin power connectors. I don't think people usually use this as much these days, but yeah, why not? Okay, 2 power connectors, 6-pin to 8-pin PCI, and then the card is in here. Yeah. The packaging is quite nice. So all this is foam just to protect the card. Now over here we have the card itself. Comes in an anti-static bag. Oh, nice. This is the card itself, just a white card all over. It's really heavy, feels like around 1 kg minimum, or maybe 1.5. And I really like how it looks, color white. This is how it looks on the side, just a brief view of it. And the back, oh, this is kind of awesome. You have 3 90mm fans. I think they all go in the same direction, with the ZOTAC logo, and just a white shroud. Has protective film paper on it, which I would kind of want to remove, so let's actually just do that. Awesome. So that's a close-up look of the card. The back of it, kind of nice. It should be the type that actually just stops when you're not using the card a lot, and it's cool. So should be able to run passive, and plastic, not any special material, but it's nice. So we'll go to the PCI connector side. We have just a lot of heatsink. I think this is where most of the weight is actually coming from. It looks like it has like a support bracket over here. So this support bracket over here is a plastic one, but just helps it not to flex or bend when you mount the card. It's actually quite long. Should be like 30 centimeters. So your typical ruler. Runs from the IO shield on the back up to I guess the end of the PCB. All this over here is just now cooling, so the card is actually reaching up to here on the whole length. So when you look here in the middle, you can see the cooling pipes. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heat pipes going through the whole card, like just through the whole length of the card, just from here up to the end, which is kind of nice. So at least you know your card is going to run cool. But that's it for the side, and on the back there's nothing of note, I guess. These are to mount those anti-sag kind of brackets, so I've never used them yet, but I should actually try them out. So now we can go to the back of the card. You'll see over here it has a metal backplate, color white in color. We have an interesting design on the back, really nice with the cutouts over here. Kind of like this metal. This part should actually light up RGB. I'll probably put it white just to match. Nothing much to say about that, but has the usual print like GeForce RTX, and has the indents like on the backplate. Actually feels really solid. So it's a functional backplate. It has some thermal pads connecting to the back of the memory. There is a thermal pad over here, which is like over the memory connecting to the backplates, so that's nice. No dual BIOS, so if you break this card or you want to flash it, you just have to be careful. So we can go to the side over here. You'll see the ZOTAC gaming branding, and it actually lights. This should actually light up, probably RGB. I'll try that out once I install it in a machine. Comes with two 8-pin power connectors, PCIe, so just your normal power supply. Kind of reserved compared to like the EVGA-FTW3 series, which comes with 3. Obviously over here on the IO shield we have 1 HDMI and 3 display ports, so you can actually connect 4 monitors. I've seen this design actually in quite a lot of NVIDIA cards. The perforated back IO panel, like the IO shield. And yeah, that's an unboxing of the ZOTAC Trinity White Edition 3080, RTX 3080. Solid card. I'll soon put it in a build, and yeah, tell me if you want us to do more videos like this, and I'll just try. Hope you liked it, and Good day.